Welcome. If you've been getting too many notifications every time someone accepts your follow request on Instagram, there's good news. Instagram's latest update on the web version now lets you turn those notifications off easily, right from your PC. Let's walk through it step by step so you can clean up your notifications and enjoy a quieter experience. First, open Instagram in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. This works on any desktop browser, so whether you're using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, you're good to go. Once you're on the homepage, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open up more options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can control different aspects of your Instagram experience. Now inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This is where all your notification preferences are managed. Next, click on Push Notifications. Even though you're on a PC, Instagram groups these settings here, so don't let the name confuse you. Scroll through the options until you find Accepted Follow Requests. This setting controls whether you get notified when someone approves your request to follow them. To mute these notifications, simply select Off.